I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by building flavor. This matters more than exact timing. Heat oil, then sauté chopped onion, garlic, and ginger until translucent to release sugars. Stir in 1 tablespoon curry paste so its oils bloom. That's how depth forms. Pour 400 ml coconut milk and 250 ml stock now to create the soup base, then add the 500 g fish pieces. Once added, lower heat to a gentle simmer so protein cooks evenly without falling apart. Once the base simmers, you control texture and balance. Let the soup cook gently for 8–10 minutes so the fish firms but remains tender. Rapid boiling will shred it. Add vegetables early if they need time, carrots and mushrooms at start, delicate greens in the last 2 minutes. Taste and season with 1 tsp salt and 1/2 tsp sugar to round flavors. Finish with lime juice to brighten. Acidity lifts the coconut and ties everything together. You're in the home stretch. Remove from heat as soon as fish is opaque and flakes with a fork because carryover will finish cooking. Stir in chopped cilantro or basil and thinly sliced green onion for aroma and contrast. If the soup is too thin, simmer a few minutes uncovered to reduce. If too thick, add 50–100 ml stock. One key troubleshooting tip: if coconut milk looks grainy or split, whisk a 1 tsp cornstarch slurry into a little warm stock. Then stir it in to re-emulsify and smooth the broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.